Okay, sometimes there are tools within Excel that are just a waste of time. This by far is categorically the biggest waste of time. But because we are stuck in this routine, I'm breaking the routine. Place a note into a formula. You know, we can go in and hit right click, insert comment. Here, in this particular demonstration, if you will, you can actually put this comment, recent estimates. All right, so whenever you look at this formula, this is the output. Okay, recent. You notice how we have 6 here? Well, it's going to show some DN plus and yeah. Use the end function. This is the end function. Converts a value to a number. Use the end function to add a comment to a formula that produces a numeric value. Here's the equation. Sum if 5 plus n. The figures for the fourth quarter are estimates. This is a complex application that allows you to leave in-cell comments. It only applies to formulas that return numbers. The end function accepts a value as input and returns a number as its output. The end function returns 0 when a text value is supplied. In this case, the sum function is the main formula, while the end function just looks at the comment text and returns 0. So here's the layout. We had some DN. All right, knock yourself out. If this is your ballywhack, then knock yourself out. Personally, no. I think this is just ridiculous. But I'm sure some guy spent a week coming up with this, and I applaud him. But anyway, using the n function, n, Nancy value, Brad William, Excel Prime.